Hello and welcome to the video. I am Jomol and this is Edvista Learning, your trusted companion for UGC NET preparation. In this session, we are covering a very important topic from paper 1, the Millennium Development Goals or MDGs. Let's break it down in a simple and easy way with memory tricks and sample questions too. The Millennium Development Goals or MDGs were introduced by the United Nations in 2000. It includes 8 international development goals, 18 targets and 48 indicators which focused on global challenges like poverty, education, health and gender. The target year to achieve these goals was 2015. After 2015, the Millennium Development Goals were replaced by the Sustainable Development Goals or SDG. So let me repeat, introduced by UN in 2000, total 8 goals, 18 targets and 48 indicators. The target year of MDG or Millennium Development Goal is 2015. It is replaced by SDG or Sustainable Development Goal. It mainly focuses on the developing or poor countries, not the developed countries. Okay, I hope that's clear. So let's go through each of the 8 Millennium Development Goals or MDGs. The first one is eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Second one is achieve universal primary education. Third one is promote gender equality and empower women. Fourth one is reduce child mortality. Fifth one is improve maternal health. Sixth one is combat HIV or AIDS, malaria and other diseases. Seventh one is ensure environmental stability. Eighth one is develop a global partnership for development. So the first one is eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Second one, achieve universal primary education. Third, promote gender equality and empower women. Fourth one is reduce child mortality. Fifth one is improve maternal health. Sixth one is combat HIV or AIDS, malaria and other diseases. Seventh one is ensure environmental sustainability, and eighth one is develop a global partnership for development. Again to repeat and fix it in your mind, start from poverty, move to education, then gender equality, followed by child health, maternal health, tackling diseases, protecting the environment, and finally building a global relationship. Okay, starting from poverty, move to education, then gender equality, followed by child health, maternal health, tackling diseases, protecting the environment, and finally building a global partnership. These goals were adopted by 189 countries and guided development policy until 2015. Okay, I think it's clear. Now let me help you memorize all the 8 Millennium Development Goals with a fun. The statement is, poor educated girls care more during every problem. Poor educated girls care more during every problem. So the each word of the statement links to an MDG in order. So the poor links MDG 1, that is eradicate poverty and hunger. The word educated links with the second goal MDG 2, achieve education. Girls connect with MDG 3, promote gender equality. That means gender means boys and girls. So you should connect the gender with girls. So girls MDG 3, promote gender equality. The fourth word care links with the MDG goal 4, that is reduce child mortality. C, you should connect with child care, that is the first letter is C. So you should connect with that, or you should consider that who need more care? Child. Okay, so the child need more care, so that you should link with care, that means reduce child mortality. And the word more links with improve maternal health, that is M. You should connect with the first letters of maternal and more. And the sixth word during links with the Millennium Development Goal 6, that is combat diseases like HIV, AIDS, malaria. You should also connect diseases during. Both are starting with D, so you should connect with that. And the seventh word every links with the Millennium Development Goal 7, that is ensure environmental sustainability. That is, you should consider that the environment is for every person, not like a single person. So environment is for every person. So you should connect with that that means promote environmental sustainability. And the problem word links with the MDG 8, that is develop partnership. So you should connect with that. Whenever we should develop a partnership, the problems will be solved. So you should also think that, or otherwise P, both the starting letters are P. So you should also think that problem, partnership, and connect with the Millennium Development Goal with the first letter. Okay. These are the 8 Millennium Development Goals. Each of the Millennium Development Goals should contain some targets, but it is not very important for our exam. So we should skip that targets. We only consider the 8 Millennium Development Goal, that is eradicate poverty and hunger, achieve education, promote gender equality, reduce child mortality, improve maternal health, combat diseases HIV, AIDS, malaria, ensure environmental sustainability, develop partnership, and the code or the trick is poor educated girls care more during every problem. I think it's clear. So this tricks will help you remember the keywords quickly during the exam. Okay. This is the trick that I study the Millennium Development Goal. You can use either trick based on what works best for you. So let us practice a couple of questions that might come in the exam. The first question is, which Millennium Development Goal focuses on achieving universal primary education? Option A MDG 1, option B MDG 2, option C MDG 3, and option D MDG 4. Answer is option B MDG 2. So the MDG 2 focuses on achieving universal primary education. The second question is, what comes after MDGs? Option A green goals, option B sustainable development goals, option C Paris Agreement, and option D Rio Summit. Answer is option B sustainable development goals or SDG. I think it's clear now. Keep practicing questions like this. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, Millennium Development Goals, please comment below. And so let's summarize what we learned today. First of all, we discussed what is MDG. MDGs were launched by the UN in 2000. There are 8 goals, 18 targets. Target year was 2015. They were replaced by the Sustainable Development Goal. We should also learn the trick to remember all the 8 goals in order. That is, poor educated girls care more during every problem. So I hope this was clear and helpful. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Edvista Learning for more easy lessons. Next video is on the Sustainable Development Goals. Don't miss it. Bye.